Hey guys, so I'm out here in the garden. It's like 6:30 in the morning. Got my bucket full of rainwater. It rained a lot yesterday. We got a really heavy rainstorm with heavy wind yesterday. So like a lot of my plants are kind of leaning and my bougainvilleas fell. I already picked those up. That's one. That's the other. I have some East Indian mangoes still bagged. And I also added these reflected ribbons for the birds. It seems to be working. So I do recommend the reflected ribbons if you're trying to keep birds away from your fruit. My East Indians probably have like another 3 weeks to go or so, but they're still bagged. I did pick some fruit yesterday from the Rosy Gold. So I think I got about 5 off the Rosy Gold. You can see right here where I just cut off the panicle. But I'm gonna take these off as soon as I get a chance. Basically I just tied them on, regular tie. And I did take off the one fruit punch I had from the fruit punch mango over there. So came out here just to do a quick walk around. Everything is so lush. It's so pretty, like first thing in the morning, to just come out here and see what's going on. We also have some fruit on the Neelam mango. You can see the tag right there. Neelam. There's the fruit right here. There's plenty right there. They're all green. These won't be ready until the tag says August. So we'll see. And it rained so much, guys, you can see all the water. It's just, it settles from here all the way to the fence. And it goes all the way back there. You can see all that water back there. Go all the way back there. So yeah. If I really want to get out here, I need to wear rain boots, and I have on slippers this morning, so not happening. Sorry. So just kind of looking around. My gungu peas or pigeon peas are taken off. I got 3 here in a pot, but this one and this one are the 2 biggest plants. This is a smaller plant. Also an update on the breadfruit. It dropped a couple leaves. It kept this one, and this one is the newest growth on it. And we have some new growth in the middle right there. If you guys can see that. Right there in the middle. So that's good to see. Also have some new growth on the red longan. And up here as well. And some new growth on the green sapote. I saw this yesterday for the first time. I have 2 pineapple guava flowers, which they say you can eat the leaves on there and it tastes very sweet, but I'm gonna leave it alone since it's my first 2 flowers. Don't see any other ones right now. And we have a second plant right here. I don't see any flowers on that yet. So, and if you didn't see the eyesore, my banana is on the floor, so I have to go pick that up. Yeah, the wind was really strong yesterday. Really strong. Let's see what else is on the ground here. So, yep, gotta pick this up. And I might have to go another way because it's a puddle back here. Really should have wore my rain boots. So let me pick this up, guys. I'll be back. Okay, so what I did, I moved my Negroni fig from here in this spot and pushed it up against the frog banana. My husband said in Jamaica it's called a frog banana. Hopefully this fig will keep it from tipping over again in case we get another strong wind. So it's water all through there. You can see mangoes on the ground because of the wind. So it seemed like a lot of mango drop happened yesterday. Ugh, soggy. So I'm right next to the mango tree. This is the mango tree right here, and right next to it is avocado. Let me zoom in a little. You can see this is a low-hanging branch, and it's full of mangoes, but it's also some on the ground. You guys see all of those? Those fell yesterday from the windstorm, and they're just everywhere. So I'm gonna pick up a few. See, the squirrel already got to that one and cleaned it up real nice. So I'm just gonna pick up some of these and put them on my counter, see if they'll ripe, because I know this tree doesn't really drop mangoes. So if they do fall, they're not ready yet. So normally we put them on the counter and let them ripe on the counter. Yeah, some big ones. Let me pick one up. Look at that. Isn't that pretty? So I'm gonna put these on my counter and see how it work out. But yeah, I had a couple figs that were ready too. The other day, some Black Madeira. Let me check and see if any of those are ready yet. With all this rain, like, your figs will ripen pretty fast. And that's the only thing I hate with figs. Like, they get so big and swollen up. See, look at this one. They get very big a little too fast when it's raining, and they also get a little tasteless too because of the rainwater. You can see some in there. They're still green, but this is a ripe one here. I'm gonna get that. It don't look all that ripe either, but yeah, it's not ripe. I'll cover that and see if I could get it later or in the morning. But the water is just making stuff swell so fast. So hopefully nothing get to it before I do. Here's some more right here. I did rest his hair, so I'm gonna get it now. So let's go through and get some of these mangoes. So that's 2. I definitely don't think this is gonna ripe, but I'll take it. Let's see what happened, right? That one has a hole. Wait, do it. Yeah. I'm not a fan of holes in fruits, guys. I'm sorry. I know some people will be like, girl, you better get that, but I'll save the rest for the squirrels. Okay, here is one right here. Another one here. Very pretty mangoes. Don't know the variety though. Here's another one here. Again, if you're new to the channel, welcome. It's a nice one here. I'm in a rental house, and this house has a big mango tree in the back, like I showed you a few minutes ago, and also a avocado. So yeah, just trying to see what I can salvage from the ground. Pretty one. Don't know what's gonna become of these, but I will try. Let's see. There's one over there in the corner. I don't know if you guys could see. Try to get that. So I'm gonna just quickly rinse these off and just leave them on my counter. That's it. So this is my harvest. It's a lot. That's a lot. I wasn't counting, so I don't know how much I picked up, but that's a lot. And I did leave a few on the ground for the squirrels. So, like, there's one there. There's a couple there. There's one there and one there. So, yeah, that's it. I picked up my banana. I'm just looking around to see if there's any other trees I missed that needs to be picked up. Look over here one more time. Lovely morning. It's gonna be hot later. I think like 92. Yeah, but that's it. Everything's picked up. Got my mangoes. Thanks for watching, guys, on this early Tuesday morning. You guys have a good day.